guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Oh wait, sorry, wrong introduction. Hello guys, welcome to my family friendly Beyblade YouTube channel. So we have my cousin.
Hi, I am very acha.
His name I always forget. What's your name, bacha?
Varshit. I'm
Okay.
very nice.
Okay, so today we got this Excalibur, and so guys, I did not get the sword launcher because it was out of stock. So that's why I got the string launcher, the custom string launcher. And also, before opening this, I want to tell a few key points about Excalibur. Go get the scissors.
Yes.
So, basically, Excalibur has the third most heaviest hit. It's on lock. Okay. Excalibur is the third most heaviest hits. Like it has the third most heaviest hits in Beyblade Burst. Second with Guilty Longiness, and first Ultimate Voltriac. So basically, if you're an attack type guy, you have to definitely buy Xiphoid Xcalibur.
But obtain the scissors.
But there's one, like, what do you call? Disadvantage.
Flaw.
Flaw. Basically, it has very, very, very less stamina because it has a metal tip. So we'll just unbox it. And don't worry, guys, it's not fake.
We'll see about that. Guys, we'll see about that. Maybe it's fake, but who knows?
No, it's not fake. It's Takura Tomy, I guess.
I have no clue who that is, but I'm just gonna go like with it.
Oh, you don't know anything. Oh, damn. We got the Xiphoid Xcalibur. My God, we got the custom. We got the custom launcher. So first, let me just open it up. Wait.
Open it up from here.
Oh, sorry.
His acha cousin had to help out.
Nah. I'm going red one. So guys, and damn,
Not the best, I'd say.
yeah, but still pretty nice. Why is there yellow swords? Blue swords are very nice. So we'll just.
So is it fake?
No, it's not. This is the second version of the Xiphoid Excalibur. You see, it already awakened. Damn, it already awakened. Now, it already awakened. Now there's an awakening mode. We got this medal, and my God, we got the tip. Now let me just do this. I'm going to keep it on low mode. There we go.
What are low modes and high modes? I've been not in Beyblade for a long time.
So basically, low mode meaning it's low in height, like shorties,
Ooh.
and high mode.
Shorties and tallies. May I do it for you? I have very much experience with Beyblades.
Wait. Something just happened to it. I do not have experience with Takura Tomy Beyblades.
Takura told me Beyblades are some of the best Beyblades I've ever seen.
Bro, you just said that you don't know any of the Takura Tomy Beyblade.
These types of Beyblades I do know. I even once owned the actual Valtriac.
Fine. Do it. The viewers are watching.
What is this? Excuse me?
Oh, wait. So basically, first you have to do this. Now, wait. Yeah, almost. Okay, this is very hard for assembling. We'll just jump back. Guys, Sahars helped us around, and we finally did it. And with this, and with that. So we'll be test launching right now. Wow!
They're fighting in the box.
Yeah. it's pretty fun.
Okay, guys, but tomorrow we're going to do it in my original studio.
I mean, I don't know how to control it. So I'm pretty bad. So I'll practice more. So
Yes.
so hope you enjoyed our video. Wow!
Please like and subscribe. Only one subscriber needed.
For 100 subscribers.
Then we're going to do celebration.
Anyways, hope you enjoyed our video. Bye. Peace out.
Peace out.